Intex 2025, we are showcasing basically two cells. One is Skara robot, loading unloading with the CNC machine, which you can see here. Another one is with the articulated robot for loading unloading with the servo presses. In Delta robot portfolio, basically we have three categories of robot. One is Skara robot, second one is articulated industrial type, and third one is articulated collaborative robots. So in Skara robot, we have maximum payload carrying capacity up to 22 kg with the payload carrying capacity and 1 meter reach as a radial one. And here you can see the Skara is basically doing the function of loading unloading. There is a fixed station. So from here the input feed will come. Robot will pick the input feed from the as a component, and then it goes to the CNC. After having the complete machining of the previous component, it unloads the component and then loads the new one with the dual gripper. Now going to the next cell, which is basically the servo press with the articulated robot. So here you can see we are showcasing another way of loading unloading, where the component is coming on the conveyorized motion. So once the conveyor comes to the position, it gets stopped, and from there component will be picked by the articulated robot, which is a 6-axis one, and then it goes to the servo press for the loading. The previous component in the same way, like I have explained in the CNC section. So there also it unloads first and loads the new one. In articulated robot, we do have a range, multiple models are there. We have maximum payload carrying capacity of 210 kg with a maximum reach of 2.7 meter. And in this exhibition, as we have last year recently launched D-Bot, which is a collaborative robot. As of now, we have not showcased here, but there also we have a good range of amount of collaborative robot with maximum payload carrying capacity of 30 kg, and maximum reach is 1800 mm reach.